Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a product that can completely change the way you host guests or even go camping. This is the King Koil Luxury Queen Size Air Mattress, a premium inflatable airbed that combines comfort, durability, and convenience. If you've struggled with air mattresses that lose air overnight, or just don't feel comfortable, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk design. This mattress is 20 inches tall, so it sits higher than most standard airbeds. That makes it easier to get in and out of, and it actually feels more like a real bed. On top, you get a luxurious pillow top quilted layer that adds softness while the coil beam construction underneath provides amazing support. Whether it's for you, your family, or overnight guests, the comfort level is seriously impressive. One of my favorite features is the built-in high-speed pump. No more searching for external pumps or wasting time. Just plug it in and within minutes, the bed is fully inflated. The best part? You can adjust the firmness to your liking. Want it plush and soft? Or maybe firmer for more back support? Just a simple turn of the dial and you've got your perfect setting. And when you're done, deflation is just as quick and easy. Now let's talk about durability, because we all know cheap air mattresses can be a nightmare. The King Koil is made with extra thick, waterproof, and puncture-resistant PVC material, which holds air really well throughout the night. No waking up on the floor because the mattress deflated. It also maintains its shape even after repeated use, so it's built to last. This air mattress is super versatile. Use it at home for guests, bring it on camping trips, or keep it as a backup bed. It's also portable and comes with a convenient carrying bag, so storing and transporting it is hassle-free. That means it's not just a temporary bed, it's a practical solution for many situations. Here's something that really sets King Koil apart. It's the only air mattress endorsed by the International Chiropractors Association for promoting healthy spinal alignment. Plus, it comes with a manufacturer's warranty, so you're not just buying an airbed, you're buying peace of mind. So to sum it up, the King Koil Luxury Queen Size Air Mattress delivers on comfort, durability, and convenience. With its premium pillow top design, quick inflation, and reliable build, it's one of the best options out there for both home and travel. If you're looking for a high-quality air mattress, this one should definitely be on your list. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.